Now, we'll just finish quickly on the LDL question. So the evidence in healthy populations of pattern A and pattern B LDL cholesterol. First of all, pattern B doesn't happen in healthy populations. So probably not going to have data on it in that population. Pattern B only happens secondary to glycation, secondary to elevated blood sugars. Now, there was also a reference to the difference in small fluffy LDL and small dense LDL. So just to reiterate from my presentation earlier today, the size difference between small dense and large fluffy in the LDL is tiny. It's a difference between bigger than 25.5 nanometres, millionths of a metre, or less than 25.5. Like, we're talking differences of 1 or 2 nanometres. So this whole visualisation that some people in their blog posts on the interwebs and all that describe large fluffy stuff as bouncing around like, you know, sort of on fairy wings, and this small dense stuff going around and being so small that it can burrow into the gaps in the lining of our blood vessels, it's just simply not true. That's not the way it works. It's to do with what happens when you alter the receptor because of sugar damage, and it changes the way it gets handled by the liver and changes the way it gets handled by these cells called macrophages. So this whole concept of something being big and fluffy and something being small and burrowing in, it's just factually and scientifically incorrect.